In the original Rubik cube, 3 for 3 has 8 vertices of 12 edges. There are 40,320 ways to combine the verticals of cube. 7 of these can be oriented independently, and the eighth orientation depends on the previous 7, giving 2,187 possibilities. In turn, there are 239,500,800 ways to arrange the verticals, since the corner parity also implies edges. All edges can be turned independently of 12th rotation depends of the above, giving 2048 possibilities. The total number of possibilities permutation in the Rubik cube is 43,302,003,856,000 permutation. Therefore, you can try all these permutations or follow the